My name is Emma Rodgers and I'm the artist who created this unique sculpture, Spiritus, especially for this evening, which is to be auctioned tonight to raise much needed funds. Spiritus is inspired by the symbolism of the horse, which represents inner strength and the ability to go on and overcome obstacles in life and pursue goals no matter what may stand in your way. Horses gave mankind freedom, and to express this, a series of horses are designed to charge by with glimmers of riders, some with full capes, bellowing in the wind, others just a grasp of the rein. Each horse is hand-sculpted, cast in bronze with gold detail, and can never be replicated as the mould has been destroyed to prevent any further copies being made. A true one-off. Thank you, Michael, and the amazing team involved with the charities. You and everyone present tonight has given your time, energy and charity to such an inspirational cause, highlighting the plights of underprivileged children in the Northwest and raising awareness of these issues and improving the lives of its beneficiaries. Your passion, dedication and energy is incredible. Thank you for inviting me to be part of such a worthy event.